What is up, humans? I got this really quick new GR. Kind of has some ACG vibes. So we got red Stardust and neutral olive in the purple box. Pricing has been changing a little bit. I think these are 115. They might be 120 or 125. To be determined. Sometimes lately I've been saying, like, let's see, in my Haley video, I said they were 135 because when I made the video, they were 135. They went up to 140 from the time I posted that video till release time. So these are roughly between 120 and 140. It's not 140, but here you go. Let's go ahead and bust these things open. This is what you got in the box. You got your wood grain Nike SB box paper, and then you've got your Stardust Dunk Low. Also, your Nike SB sticker in there. Comes in all your boxes lately. And this is it. Red Stardust and vintage olive. Like I said, kind of has a desert ACG vibe. You know, kind of definitely has like a desert vibe to it. So some really cool colors. The suede looks awesome. And the quality of construction on these things just looks really, really good. So super clean lines. Look at that turn and stitch. That thing looks perfect. Perfect little toe box on this thing. The suede feels super good, super skatable. You got your hidden lace protection right here, turn and stitch toe cap, and then this like muted olive color right there on the swoosh. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro label on the tongue right there. And then here's your outsole with your Phylon midsole and your kind of olive outsole on the bottom as well. So thing looks pretty cool. Definitely a simple, skatable, dunk low, 120, whatever. True to dunk size, since I say true to size and everybody's confused. You know what? It fits like an SB dunk. There you go. It fits. You put it on your foot and wear it. These things, the SBs all have these memory foam heel pods in the heel right there to just kind of hold your heel in place because that's important when you're skateboarding. And then also you have these Lycra tongue straps in there, which keeps your tongue nice and centered. Also, if you pop your laces, your shoe will still stay on your foot. It might not be tight enough, but it won't go flying off as easily as it would if there were no tongue straps. So there you go. You do get extra laces with this thing here. Your stock laces come with white aglets, and then your lace swap comes with this orange aglet on this pink lace. So here is your Air Zoom insole, Nike SB branding, and then you got your Air Zoom right there. That's your Air Zoom heel pod and your Poron forefoot. Tons of shock absorption built into these shoes, so when you're jumping down stuff, those features help absorb impact. So pretty cool, as well as this Phylon midsole. So this one's pretty simple, guys. These are going to be available as soon as we can get them in the system. They literally just landed in the store. So as soon as we can get them online, bluetilesc.com, they will be there. What do you guys think of this, I don't know, almost ACG inspired dunk low? I think this thing looks pretty cool. I guess you don't have the pebbled outsole on these like a lot of the ACG shoes do have, but it just has that vibe to me. So what do you guys think? You know, this thing looks pretty cool. Kind of a mix of an Adobe and I don't know, something else. Looks pretty awesome. Anyway, guys, that's it. bluetilesc.com. True to SB dunk size. Pricing is all over the place. Our pricing, I believe it's going to be 120. You know, it's something like that. But bluetilesc.com. And you'll see the pricing there. Sorry I don't have those answers. The prices are still kind of up in the air. I'm not sure. There's so many different versions of SB Dunks, whether it's GR, Special Edition, Orange Label. You know, the pricing is all over the place, so it's kind of hard to tell until we actually hear it from Nike. So these just came in, so I'm not exactly sure. I think some shops have already posted them, so the pricing might be out there already. So That's it. I'm going to wrap this up. All the best. Love Blue Tile. We'll see you guys in the next one. I know this one was really quick, but what do you guys think of this? I like the name Stardust. It's pretty cool. There you go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile and all that good stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. I think I got some Adidas stuff coming. So, yeah, peace.